running through these thoughts again, terrified without my friends, holding on to these memories, trying just to get to sleep. Breaking down all these lies in my head, taking out all these problems again. I'm so lost inside this hell alone. How do I repent? I don't. I'm trying just to let all of this out of my heart, trying not to sit here and fall apart. I'm broken inside of my head and I can't speak of anything. I'm lost inside my mind and no one hears me fucking scream. Oh, that I do is just run amok and run into another place where I am stuck in hell. I try together is the problematic placement of my mind. I'll run so far from where I started. Oh, I tried my best just to hold my head up, but I stay broken hearted, never understanding the lies or any planning. I'm saying that I've got this, but I am just saying another fact that I don't believe. Real in my mind, fake on the outside. Real in my mind, fake outside. Complex contemplations, often stuck in stating hateful facts about that life that I had, and I let it all go, except for in my head. They say to forgive and forget. Will I forgive? How do I forget? It's always on my head that I'm traumatized, breaking down walls that I didn't know were there, and I'm scared that the foundation might collapse. I'm looking at the past